Well, I'm at the end of the Takom Blitz Panzer III journey. This project took me 2 months to build, actually a little more than 2 months. And it seems like when I get to the end of any project, I'm ready for it to be over. But it was a good build. I'm still learning, always trying to do better. I always hope that my next model is better than my previous model. I'm still not comfortable painting figures, and I have some improvement to make in that area. I'm getting comfortable with the paint, the base color and the camouflage. I think I've found a system that works well with me. I like using the MIG paint, and I think the reason for that is it mixes with lacquer thinner, and I can spray a really thin mixture, and so I'm happy with how the paint turns out because I get a real smooth finish. Not a big Panzer III guy. 1943, I guess that would probably be the break-off point for me. Anything earlier than that, I'm probably not interested in it. I'm not really interested in the early war armor. But with that being said, I really enjoyed building this kit. This Takom Blitz Panzer IIIM with a street price of $35 US. I mean, it's a deal. It's a great kit for that price. It does have a few fit issues, but for $35, it's probably the best kit on the market. Well, I say that. I don't know. I've only built one Panzer III, and this is it. But I don't know how anybody could offer a better kit for that kind of money. So, Takom, you hit a home run with this one. Absolutely love this kit. And I give it 4.5 out of 5 stars. If it wasn't for the fit issues, I'd give you 5 stars. Figures are from Panzer Art, and I thought they were pretty good figures. The faces have good definition, which in my opinion helps for painting. I would buy their figures again. The display base is scratch built, and it was done using the process that I've been using for a while. And if you're interested in that, I have a video showing how I made it. So, overall, I'm pleased with it. It's not perfect, and there's things I can improve on, and with my next project, I'll just try to do better. And it's a hobby, and it's supposed to be fun, and I try to keep it fun, but at the same time, I want to build good models. And so when I look my model over, I try to look at it with a critiquing eye, and I see what I can do better, and I try to do better next time. Well, that's about all I have to say about it. I thank you for watching, and if you followed along with the project, well, I certainly thank you for that.